Viewers, we have a simple mathematical equations that says solve the equations 3r equals to 2s plus 1 and then 5r equals to 3s plus 3 using the elimination method. This is a simple simultaneous equation. So what do you do here to get the answers? 1. First of all, you say solution. You have two equations here, the first one and the second one, and you have to solve them simultaneously. It means that you have to solve both of them at the same time. So we bring the first equation, which is a 3r equals to 2s plus 1. We call it equation 1. Then you bring down the second equation, which is 5r equals to 3s plus 3. We call it equation 2. Then, what do you now do here? Use one of the coefficients, maybe coefficient of r or the coefficient of s. So, in this case, let's use the coefficient of r. So, you use the coefficient of r in equation 2, which is 5, to multiply everything in equation 1. Then use coefficient of r in equation 1 to multiply everything in equation 2. So here we go. So if you are using 5 to multiply everything in equation 1, we now say 5 times everything here. Then we're using coefficient of r in equation 1 to multiply everything in equation 2. We say the 3 here times everything in equation 2. And if we do that, if 5 multiply everything here, we have that 5 times 3r gives us 15r equals to 5 times 2s gives us 10s. Then 5 times plus 1 gives us plus 5. We call that equation 3. Then, for the coming to the second one, 5 times 5r, 3 times 5r gives us 15r also, equals to 3 times 3s gives us 9s, and 3 times plus 3 gives us plus 9. We call it equation 4. So, what do you do next? You will now eliminate equation 4 from equation 3. So, what do you mean by eliminating? That is, subtract equation 4 from equation 3. That means equation 3, everything in equation 3 minus everything in equation 1. So here we go. 15r minus 15r gives us 0, equals to 10s minus 9s gives us 1s, which is equivalent to s. Then plus 5 minus plus 9 gives us what? Minus 4. So at this stage, what do? We make this subject of formula. So s has to come to the other side. We have becomes minus s equals to minus 4. If you divide both sides by minus 1, you have minus s divided by minus 1 equals to minus 4 divided by minus 1. Minus 4 cancel minus, you have s over 1, which is equivalent to s. Then minus 1, 4 divided by minus 4, you have 4 over 1, which is 4. Therefore, s becomes equal to 4. Is that all? No. We also to find the r. So what do you do to find the r? You can now say substitute s with 4 in equation 1. You can go to one of the two original equations and substitute what? S using 4. Anywhere you see 4, you replace 4. So we choose to use equation 1, which is 3r is equals to 2s plus 1. So in this case, what is s? S is now 4. So we replace s with 4. So we have 3r equals to 2 times 4 gives us 8 plus 1. Giving us 3r is equals to 8 plus 1 is 9. If we divide both sides by coefficient of r, which is 3, we have 3r divided by 3 equals to 9 divided by 3. 3 cancel 3, you give r. Then 3 divided 9 gives us 3. Therefore, r is equals to 3, while s is equals to 4. And that is the final answer. I believe you have understood everything that we solved. So please drop observations in the comment section, like the video and equally share to pass the message across to others. Thanks for watching.